So, your Snowshock slush machine has arrived. What happens next? Well, to begin, let's make sure you have everything you need. With your delivery, you will have received your machine, your easy start guide, an air filter, a tube of lubricant, and empty mixing bottles. When choosing a spot for your machine, it's important that there's space for airflow all around the machine. Slush machines work best with at least 25 centimetres clearance on all sides. Before you start, strip and get to know your machine. Remove the top lid and put it to one side. Remove the tap assembly. Remove the tank from the machine by lifting it slightly from the bottom and pulling it towards you. You're now able to remove the white spiral by grasping the front and pulling forwards. Also, remove the silicone watertight shaft seal. It may still be attached to the spiral. Wash the tank and the other parts of the machine that you have exposed with bactericidal detergent. Next, fill the supplied air filter by removing the covering. Press down on the two clips on the left-hand side panel to reveal the condenser grill. These filters are available free in the UK from Snowshock. Now you can lubricate and rebuild the machine. Lubricate around the shaft and white shaft support. Fit the watertight shaft seal. Carefully line up the spiral with the metal shaft and slide the spiral back into place. Refit the tank. Once the tank is in place, we can refit the tap assembly. Begin by lubricating the tank hooks where the tap assembly fits. Replace and lubricate the tap sealing plug. Open the tap assembly by placing your hand as shown and line the spring up with the tank. Then, by pressing forwards, position the two black pins into place on the tank hooks and push the tap home as shown. Finally, we can replace the lid. You're ready to dilute the slush in the empty mixing bottles. Taking an empty Snowshock slush bottle, pour syrup up to the mixing line. Then fill to the brim with clean, potable water. To start the machine, plug it in ideally directly to its own socket, as opposed to an extension. Push the green button to switch the machine on. To start the spirals, press the spiral buttons to the on position. To begin freezing, push the freeze button to the on position. You will need to adjust the slush consistency to suit your environment. To adjust the freeze setting, use a medium-size flathead screwdriver to turn the screw found on the top of the curved panel at the rear of your machine. There is an adjustment on each individual tank. By turning the screw, the red setting pointer can be moved up and down to make it freeze more or freeze less. Thanks for watching. For more of our how-to guides, visit snowshock.com/support.